Hello, everybody, and welcome to IC Markets Market Commentary. My name is Tamar Mer from Trade with Precision, and today I want to share with you a couple of higher time frame trading opportunities that I'm currently stocking. And I want to start here with the chart of gold, and this is the daily chart. And as we can see, the daily chart is in an uptrend. We've got a clear series of higher highs and higher lows. Moving averages 10, 20, 50, all fanning, all in the correct order for an uptrend. And we also have agreement in the momentum indicators to the upside. Now, I've drawn the Fibonacci retracement from the previous higher low to the high, and what we can spot is that the 50% retracement is clustering with this level of 1880. So if we go up into the weekly and take a look at this level, we can see it was a very strong level in the past. On this market, this was the previous lower high. On the way down, it was a level that the market needed to break over here as well on the way up. A lot of rejection around that level before we broke to a lower low and then pull back to test it from below. So quite a strong and important level on this market. We can also see the momentum indicators on the weekly chart converging to the upside, and the moving averages haven't crossed over yet. The 50 is not in the correct order. Looking at the monthly, what we can see is that we had that sharp drop toward that 1600 area and a very strong pullback. So what I'm looking for is a bit of release of this strong buying pressure. I'm looking for a pullback in and around that 1880 area, and I'm looking for potentially a bullish candle in the buy zone, that area between the 10 and the 20 moving averages, rejecting this level and a potential continuation of this overall uptrend move. The next market that I'm currently stocking is EuroCAD. Now we're due Canadian CPI on Tuesday, so any surprise reading might move this market, potentially take those strong levels of support and resistance. So the one that I'm watching is in and around the 1.4650. We can see those touches on the monthly chart on the way down. We pull back into that level, couldn't break higher, pull back a bit, and now coming up into that area again. But the monthly chart is still in a downtrend, and we haven't yet been able to break that level and potentially break that downtrend as well. So if we'll take a look on the weekly chart, we can see how strong that level has been in the past, and we can also see that pullback into the averages. Moving averages 10, 20, 50 in here are in the correct order, and we can see that we haven't yet been able to break through that level, and basically we're consolidating underneath that level, so potentially releasing a bit of this strong buying pressure, catching up with the averages before potentially taking a break off that level. The thing is with this market that if we'll take a look here on the daily chart, so what we can see is that the momentum indicators are starting to push lower. So as this market is making over here somewhat of a higher high, equal high, we can see that the momentum indicators are making lower highs. For this reason, what I like to see for a potential buy opportunity on this market is a decisive break and a close above that level. Then I'll be looking for a pullback to test that level from above. So in this case, because of the divergence on the daily chart, it might mean that we might spend a bit more time around that level. So what I'd like to see is more commitment from the buyers, so closing above that level. Then I'll look for potential bullish opportunities. The last one is the FTSE, and on this market, if we'll take a look here on the monthly chart, what we can spot is that this level around the 76.80 to 77, it's been quite a strong level in the past. It's not a precise area, but what we can see is that we finally broke above that area. We haven't yet taken the most all-time high over here, but we're coming close to it. So if we'll take a look at the weekly, we can see that strong decisive move of last week and a close above it. We are currently overextended once again, so it means there's a distance between where price action sits right now and the moving averages. In this case, we have very nice convergence on the momentum indicators to the upside. So what I'm looking for here is a similar pullback to test this level from above. It could even go a little bit lower, maybe touch this level around the 7600, just a bit of release of this very strong buying pressure. Even if it goes below that level, I'll be looking for the market to come back again and take that level once again on the way out. So I'm looking for any signs that the pullback is over, potentially on lower time frame, such as 4 hours or even the daily, because we are in an uptrend here on daily chart with moving averages fanning and in the correct order, and very nice convergence on the momentum indicators. So once again, looking for release of the buying pressure back into the averages, seeing signs that the pullback is over, and looking for a continuation of this move, keeping in mind that the all-time high that we've printed around here, even though it is one touch, it could offer a psychological level of support and resistance, and that we also have UK CPI, which is due on Wednesday. Happy trading, everyone, and I'll speak to you soon.